Do you think they like to eat fish?
Who?
You know, the strangers from Ninjago.
Everyone likes fish. And it's not Ninjago, it's Ninjago.
That's not what they said.
Honestly, Utog, whose hearing is better? Yours or... Listen, do you hear? Blizzard Samurai, heading our way! We have to warn the village!
Your friend Zane is imprisoned here, in the Ice Emperor's castle. There are only 2 paths through the mountains. This is the safest.
A pass?
In the old tongue, it is called Malawojira.
Malawojira?
Wojira's wrath. But you must be careful. You cannot make a sound in this place. You cannot speak or whisper. Even your footfalls must be like a gentle breeze.
Why?
If you make a sound, Wojira will strike you down.
Okay, but what is it? Okay, great. Well, I guess we'll just be quiet. Any luck?
Nothing. It's really weird. The signal keeps coming in and out.
Maybe the cold is interfering?
Cold shouldn't matter. It's like the signal is weak. But the mech had a brand new battery. It makes no sense.
Hey guys, have you tried these? You gotta try them. You can walk on top of the snow. I think that's the point.
What will they think of next?
Alarm! Alarm! They're coming! Blizzard Samurai! On the march!
Heading for our village. We saw them coming down the pass.
I heard them first. Boma's hearing isn't as good as mine.
Don't start that again.
Boma, Utog! Are you sure you saw this? You saw them. Gather the elders. There's no time to lose.